Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I am here at Target and I came to actually do the baby deal, but I wasn't happy with the way my deal was coming out, and they didn't have the sizes that I wanted, and it was just a whole bunch of extra stuff. So I decided to come to the clearance section. So the clearance section has some Huggy diapers on clearance. So we are going to do a baby deal. It just won't be the spend 100 get $30 back. So they have the Huggy special delivery diapers that are on clearance. The size 6, which is 42 Pampers in a box, is on sale for $24.21. They were regularly $28.49. I mean, it's not a huge savings, but the way that I'm going to pile my deal on, I'm still going to save. And then they have the size 4s, which has 58 in a box, and those are $24.21. And then they had one size 5. I wish they had more 5s because I would get more of those. But the size 5, you get 50 in a box, and those are on sale for $19.94. So what I'm doing, I'm getting 2 size 4s and a size 5. Now, I'm going to add more to this because I actually want to get to a total of $75 because I do have a Target Circle offer where you spend $75 and you get $15 off. So that helps me. That'll be an extra $5 off of each one of these Huggies. Plus, I have an Ibotta offer where you buy Huggies and you get $2 off each pack as long as it's 32 packs or more. So I'm going to get $2 for each one of those. Then I have, I'm going to submit my receipt to coupons.com and I'm going to get $3 back for one box. So that's another, between the spend 75 get 15 off, that's $15 off, and then $6 from Ibotta, that's $21 off, and then $3 back from coupons.com, that's $24 off. So that's like me getting one of these boxes for free. So I think that's a pretty good deal, but it doesn't end there. I'm also going to scan my receipt into the Fetch app, and I have an offer on Fetch where you spend $60, you get $5 back in extra bucks. So we are, excuse me, not extra bucks. I'm so used to shopping at CVS. Spend $60 and you get $5 back. So we're well over our $60 mark with buying those 3 boxes. So let's go grab something else to bring our total to $75. Okay, so next we're going to grab this Silk Next Milk. You can either grab the blue or the red. It doesn't matter. They're $4.99. You're going to clip the 25% off Target Circle offer. So that's going to bring it down to $3.74 that you're going to pay at the register. You're going to submit your receipt to coupons.com and you're going to get $1.50 back from there. And then you're also going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and you're going to get $4.99 back from Ibotta. So all in all, at the end, when you do all the math, you're going to end up having a $2.74 moneymaker for the Silk Next Milk. So I'm going to go ahead and get the red one and help us get to our $75. Okay, guys, I really wasn't thinking when I said that we're going to get the milk to get up to our 75. We're still going to get the milk because that's the moneymaker. It's going to be absolutely free. But that milk doesn't count towards that coupon. It's excluded. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this Colgate deal where you buy 3 Colgate toothpaste and you get a $5 gift card, okay? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to get 1 Colgate toothpaste for $4.99. So I'm going to grab one of these, okay? Then next, you're going to get 2 of the Colgates that are $6.99. So I'm going to get the Revitalize, the gum. I guess they're both that way. Okay, so I'm going to get these 2. So they're $6.99 a piece, okay? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to clip the Target Circle offer. I want to make sure I'm explaining this to you guys right. So first, here, let's start with this. We're going to use this 50-cent coupon that came out of your 8/7 Smart Source, and we're going to use that on that, okay? Next, you're going to submit your receipt to coupons.com for $3 off 2 Colgate. So these are the two that the $3 are going to come off of. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta, and we're going to get $2 back for each one of these. Okay, so that's a total of $6 back from Ibotta. And then we're going to submit our receipt to Fetch, because Fetch has an offer where you spend $15 on Colgate and you get a $1.50 back. So when you add all of that up, then this, between the coupons, these 3 toothpaste, okay, and your paper coupon, your $3 back from coupons.com. Then also there's a $3 Target Circle offer. You want to clip that too. So with that, and then your $6 back from Ibotta and your $1.50 from Fetch, this should make this a 30-cent moneymaker. So that's a lot of submitting, a lot of clicking, but just make sure that you get everything. It's the $3 Target offer, the $3 offer from coupons.com. You're going to submit 3 times for Ibotta for $2, and then you're going to submit to Fetch for $1.50. Makes it a 30-cent moneymaker. So all of that should bring us up to our $75. Okay, guys, so I'm home. This is everything I got in the haul. The 3 boxes of Pampers, the 3 Colgate, and the Silk Next Milk. Now, before we go over my receipt, I just want to let you guys know that the cashier made a mistake. And it was a mistake in my favor. I didn't notice it until I got home and went to look over my receipt to submit to the different cashback sites. And I noticed that he rang up 2 size 5s and 1 size 4, whereas he should have rang up 2 size 4s and 1 size 5. And why am I pointing that out? Because there's a huge difference in price. The size 5s were $19.94, and the size 4s were $24.21. So that's almost a $5 difference. So it worked out in my favor, but the store lost out because he rung up the wrong thing. So let's go over our receipt and figure out what my out-of-pocket was, because I think this was a fabulous deal. Okay, so here you see the size 4 Huggies, regularly $28.49, rang up $24.21. There's the 2 size 5s that they rang up, regularly $28.49, comes down to $19.94. Then I got the $5 promo gift card for the Colgate. There's the Silk Milk for $4.99. With the 25% off, it comes down to $3.95. There's my Colgate, the $4.99 Colgate, the $6.99 and the $6.99. The 50-cent coupon came off of the $1.699. And then the $3 digital manufacturer coupon came off from the Target Circle. There you see my, I don't know why this camera's doing this. There you see my $15 came off because you had to spend $75 to get $15 off. You see I was well over my $75, but again, the milk really does not count towards that. So that brings my total down after you take then the $3 off for the toothpaste. That brings my total to $68.51 because we don't have any tax. So now this is where the math gets crazy and we have to do all of this subtracting. So I submitted my receipt to coupons.com. I'm getting $3 back for the Huggies, $3 back for the toothpaste, and $1.50 back for the silk milk. That's a total of $7.50 from coupons.com. Then I'm submitting my receipt to Ibotta. I'm getting $4.99 back for the silk milk. I'm getting a total of $6 back for the Colgate. $2 for each one of the Colgates. So that's 2 times 3, $6. And then I'm getting back a total of $6 back for the Huggies. $2 for each box. So that's a total of $6. So when you add all the Ibotta rebates up, that's $16.99 back from Ibotta. Then submitting my receipt to Fetch. I'm getting $5 back for spending $60 in Huggies products. And I'm getting $1.50 back for spending $12 in Colgate products. So that's $6.50 back from Fetch. So when you add $6.50 from Fetch, $7.50 from coupons.com, and $16.99 from Ibotta, that leaves me with $30.99 back from my rebate apps. When you subtract the $30.99 from my total of $68.51, that leaves this haul being $37.52. Guys, I'd say that is pretty darn good. Even if he would have rang up the 2 size 4s instead of ringing up 2 size 5s, then it would have been a total of $42.52. And to me, that is still very good because these diapers were regularly $29 and some change each. Let's just round $28.49 each. Let's just round that up to $29. So $29 times 3 is $87, which is the regular retail on these Pampers. So that's like half. Guys, I'd say that's pretty good. So I think I did better than doing the diaper deal that everyone else is doing, the spend $100, get $30 back in gift cards. Plus, I got a $5 gift card back for my Colgate. So if you add that in, the $5 gift card, then really now my out-of-pocket is $32.52. So guys, let me know in the comments if you like the way I did this haul. Make sure you check your clearance section for these boxes of diapers. And make sure you clip all your Target Circle offers. And until the next time, keep on saving.